the internet. One big group chat. It's a group chat.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, group chat. How are y'all doing? How are you guys in the group chat? And yes, your girl has wonderful news. My appeal has been accepted. I won my appeal against YouTube. I guess I could explain myself very well. My channel was remonetized. Yes, I got to remonetize my channel after I sent in my video explaining and asking what was going on. They reviewed it. They reviewed the video, they reviewed the channel, and boom, your girl won. When your heart pure, this is what happens to you. So now let's talk about all these people that are so happy, so excited that our girl is being sued. Yes, it has been reported that James finally filed a police report. Well, I think the police report has been filed, or I don't know what's going on because I did not take the time to read the report, but I will put a snippet up here for you guys who's interested could go read it. I'm not interested in the report. I am just interested in the response. But y'all, before we continue, please do not forget to like, comment, and please subscribe. Let's get your girl to 5,000, 5K at least by the end of this month. Damn, I'm begging y'all for 5K subs. But let's go, y'all. Let's talk about this craziness that's going on. So, it's been reported that James Wright officially filed charges against Chrisean for allegedly punching him. That's what they wrote. Punching him nose and chipping his teeth. Okay, punching him in the nose and chipping his tooth. It's a bunch of different stories going on. But y'all know we dealt with this specific story last year, all year. Why is James Wright filing a report on February 6th? Because that's what it says here, right? Filing date 2/6/2024. Then this happened sometime in November. Well, I guess the pressure of everyone is on him, so he decides 3 months later to go file a police report. Y'all, okay. Let me stop and let me be really honest and clear about what I think of the situation. If me, the group chat's leader, if I was in James Wright's face and I was an innocent bystander and I had got punched in my beautiful face multiple times, that's what they're saying. I personally think it's one. I was not there, but they're saying multiple times. Of course, you gotta beautify it so that it could look great in the court of law. I would have filed right away that night. She was not getting out to the building. No, you was going to handcuff because only he felt what he felt. So had I gotten punched, Chrisean, you my girl and all of that, but I was finna lock you up. You don't go around putting your hands on nobody, and I said this multiple times. With that being said, why is James filing a police report 3 months? 3 months. This happened in November. Okay, let's say 2 months. November, December, January, February. 2 months after the fact, why is this report now coming out? That's what I want to understand. This is what y'all gonna have to explain to me. And I don't want to hear nothing that, oh, the venue didn't let him file it. It don't happen nowhere. The venue did not get assaulted. He got assaulted. So the venue cannot stop you from filing your police report. So my take on it is what I think happens. Okay, she hit him. We saw some kind of, he was at the dentist. We saw a chipped tooth, not two or three like people are reporting, and we know they're gonna add to them their stories. We saw a chipped tooth, but my thing is, okay, he was in doubt. He didn't know. I'm just making up a story in my head, trying to make up excuse for the man, y'all. He was in doubt. He didn't know which way Tamar wanted to go. He wanted to be loyal to his people, whatever not. Okay, you had 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 day, 7 day, 8 day, 9 day, 10 day. Now, when was you gonna come to your senses and say, okay, everybody's running with the story. They're saying it's not true. Everybody's on Chrisean's side. Let me file this police report. You finna wait 2 months after. 2 months after to come out with a police report. Oh, 2 months after. Now you're suing. What are you suing for? I don't know the statute of limitation if there's such thing on something like this. I don't know, but he has every right to do what he want to do. Back to it. Why am I thinking like this? Because I know y'all gonna be coming for me in the group chat. My thing is there something bigger behind this? Because for some reason, this is this girl's season where everyone is coming for her neck. And yes, I see in the previous video, oh, we doing, and the group chat has a voice this week. Don't worry, I'm coming back for every single one of y'all that came for me. I'm going to respond to the negative this week. I'm coming for y'all. But anyway, in a good way, y'all. In a good way. So, y'all know your girl is always positive. But what I am saying, I did see you guys coming for my neck, saying that this is what she did and it's coming back for her. I'm always picking up for her. Blase, blase. And some of y'all were saying that, yeah, what she did to other people. The thing is, what we all got to remember, this girl was on television. Everything that was televised, y'all have to remember, shows get edited. A whole lot of shows get edited for ratings. And if the show was edited where it looked like she was the bully and she was always fighting and punching people first, the girl is not crazy. She's not just gonna look you in your eyes and punch you. But y'all also have to understand that that is what the show is all about. I'm gonna punch you in your face, punch you in your neck, kick you in your side. This is what the show is all about. Let's put the show aside, because y'all gonna say, you always making up excuses for her. No, I'm not. Her and Blueface, were they toxic? Very. Are they toxic? Very much so. Were they fighting and arguing and giving each other scars and keloids and whatever it is y'all want to call them? Yes, ma'am. Sure. They did that all the freaking time. Does that make her a bad person? Y'all wanted a 19-year-old girl, a 20-year-old girl to be this perfect in individual. Yeah, she broke into Blueface's house. Yeah, she stole his car. Yeah, she wrote with blood on the wall. We know all this. Is she allowed to change? Is she allowed to change? Let me tell y'all something about myself. Let me tell y'all a story about myself, since we all so freaking perfect. Let me tell y'all a story about me. So, for those of you that don't know, I also have a vlogging channel. If you guys want to see what all I do, y'all need to run over there and subscribe over there, because I travel a whole lot. Right now, I am in the Caribbean. As I told y'all, y'all know it's carnival season. I'm sitting in Suriname, but I travel a lot. I'll be all over Europe, all over the place. But anyway, the other day, I flew in Air France from Paris to Panama. I was trying to get to Guyana, but the day that I had to get there, there weren't any straight flights, so I had to get a connecting flight. Boom, bam, bam. I done flew 11 hours from France to Panama. Got to Panama, y'all. My connecting flight was 1 hour 50 minutes, so I was going to be on the airport for 1 hour 15 minutes. Y'all, believe it or not, I'm getting off the flight and immigration police is waiting on me. And y'all gonna wonder what? Yes, immigration police waiting on me. They're like, are you so and so? I'm like, yeah, sure. They're like, okay, well, can we talk to you for a minute? You guys, long story short, on the flights to Panama, before you get into Panama, they run backgrounds. They pulled up a charge I had in 2003. 20 years ago, 21 years ago. 2003, not in Panama. Not nowhere, but in the United States of America. Yeah, 2003. You guys. And it was a whole questionnaire and all kinds of stuff about it. Long story short, I've never been to Panama, never visited Panama. It's not even on my bucket list, y'all. But they pulled up something that I did in 2003, and for that, I cannot fly to Panama for the next 5 years. That's just their law. Does that make me a bad person? No. Did I do some things back in the day? Yes, sure the hell I did. I was young. I was growing up. We all make mistakes, but we all learn from them. Because I'm not famous, because I'm not in the public eye, I got the chance to redeem myself, grow up, and become the person that I am today. What's the difference? She is in the public eye, y'all. Every little thing that she does is visual to us and it's gonna cost her. But I do believe her village is large. We have more positive yays than negative nays in her corner. We're going to stand beside her. Rock Nation, start sending this girl good attorney. She need a very good attorney because if you read whatever it is that they filed, half of the stuff that's in there is not true, and the other half they did not tell. So she has to lawyer up the same way they lawyer up. She needs a very good lawyer and go to court. I mean, he has to come with all his proof. What all did he do? Who said this? Who said that? And let's see what happened. But guess what? She is innocent until proven guilty. I don't know if the case is going to be dismissed. It's already filed. She has to respond to it because the way the court system work is someone filed, even if it's a false claim about you, you have to go and respond to it or they win the case by default. So, Chrisean, go get you a good attorney, get you some good witnesses, do what you got to do, mama. Tell your side of the story, and then let the judge decides what happens. Anyway, y'all, it's come for Chrisean season, but we are here to lift her up. We are here to have her back, even though the naysayers are saying she gotta learn and y'all gonna have her learn. She gonna learn. She's gonna grow up. She's starting to listen. She's listening to us, not because she's not doing everything that y'all want her to do in y'all's time. Then we gonna throw her to the wayside. No, 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 no. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna stay positive. We're gonna keep praying for her. We're gonna keep lifting her up, and she's gonna become a better person. Anyway, y'all, that's all I got to say about this what's the word? Frivolous, that word case that James filed. Let's see what happens. Until then, she's innocent. Anyway, I ain't got no more. That's all I got for y'all today. Love you guys for listening and watching. Stay blessed and beautiful, my loves. Girl, me want you. Girl, me want you.